Okay, sit on the floor. There you go. Take them. What is that, Adele?
Mama, a wallet.
A wallet?
A wallet. This is attached in there. Oh, there.
What is that?
It's, Mama, look. I can write. Mom, I got a bag. I got a bag like you do.
You got a bag like I do?
Yeah.
A purse?
It's a makeup bag. Yeah, I got makeup in it. It was
What? Let me see. Now, what do you got, Sissy? Makeup? And a phone?
That's a little photo.
What is that?
It's makeup. That's my
Is
little.
it real nail stuff?
Yeah, real nail makeup. That's my little phone.
What's that bag?
That's my little
Valentine's?
phone.
Oh, a little phone. And you got
That's
Valentine's
my little phone. That's my little phone.
You're gonna call Daddy on your little phone and tell him thank you? Oh, you got a Valentine's sucker and chocolates and gum. You know what that is? That's a board you draw on with that marker.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
I got another palette thing. You draw my notebook. Mommy,
You could use that marker too, or you can use my pen right there.
Mom, can you help me?
In just a minute. What do you guys say to Daddy? Show him your purse, Sissy. Put your purse on. Let me see. Oh, turn it the other way.
Can I do my makeup?
That's not makeup, it's nail stuff.
I know. Can I do them though?
In a little bit, yeah.
I need backup solo game out. I love the battle like you know. Can you open this?
Mm-hmm. What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you for my back, Dad.
Say Happy Valentine's Day, Daddy.
Happy Valentine's Day, Dad.
Say it again, Janelle.
Happy Valentine's Day, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Can we send a thing back to him?
We did send him Valentine's Day. It was just so long ago that you don't remember. You made him a card and everything.
Like you do.
Yeah, you look like a big girl.